Well, if you're like me and you like having things on your refrigerator, like your to-do list, your grocery list, and your meal plan, I definitely want you to check out these really awesome dry erase lists. So I purchased these. They came in a pack of 4 magnetic lists, and I was really excited to find these because I start lists all the time, but honestly, I lose the paper, and having this magnetic on my refrigerator is just so easy. Now, if you're also like me and you have different lists for different things, I love that I can title the list at the top there, and then it gives me a nice checklist here for checking off what I need to do. So for example, I have a pantry restock list. This is a running list I keep on the refrigerator so I can show my husband, hey, we need to get some of the sugar, the soy milk, the white dry beans from our bulk storage and bring them up to the kitchen, and I can communicate with him like that through this list. Then I have another list here of things that I wanted to make for meal prep in my nut milk maker. So I have strawberry popsicles and cauliflower soup on this list right here. So I use this as a running list for my meal prep. And then I also have another one here that's blank, and then even a fourth one. So these are just so great. I love the convenience of this. I don't have to run and search for a pad of paper and a pencil every single time I want to make a list. Now this set also comes with 4 magnetic dry erase markers like this, so I can actually stick them onto the refrigerator like that, so I don't even have to go searching for a pen. And then it even has a little eraser tip like that, but it also came with this magnetic eraser. So they really did think of everything when they were doing this, because now I have everything I need to make lists and keep them on the refrigerator. Well, definitely check out the links in the description of this video for where to purchase this on Amazon. Make sure to check out my Amazon storefront for more awesome kitchen tools and gadgets. If you're new to my channel, I'm Veronica. I'm a former professional chef, now turned homemaker, and I love sharing what I'm using to make meals for my family as well as keep my house running that I purchased on Amazon. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.